social media platforms. If you don't know how to use it, stay out of it, or learn about it before you dive into it. It's like emails. You can be hacked very easily by opening attachments or emails that are from people you don't know. It can happen. And then when they hack your system, the other day someone promised a person a visa to some country, and they said, well, you've got to apply and you've got to do this and do that and send this and send that. And guess what happened? Everything was done and it looked so legit and genuine. And finally, there was one glitch. So this man on the other side says, you know what? Try again, but the expiry is midnight. So you'd better make sure before midnight you have all these documents in. And if you can't, then I'll do it for you. How will I do it for you? Well, there's no other way. You just got to give me your password and I'll do it from your email. Don't worry, everything's almost sorted and it's just these documents left. As soon as the password was given, the email was hacked, everything else happened, the bank accounts were tapped and they started emptying themselves. And what happened? It was bogus, it was a fake. So we have to admit that there is a dark side to it, especially when we don't know how to use things. And that's why we are here. To say, my brothers, my sisters, be responsible. That's one word. Be responsible in the way you use social media.